In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate Pearson's correlation coefficient using the CASIO calculators. This is a new topic in the advanced course, and here we go. So just a quick note, these are the two most common CASIO calculators used in Australian schools. You can see it's the 82 AU on the left and the 100 AU on the right. So either of those, this little tutorial will cover both of those. So how do we calculate that? So without an explanation of what the correlation coefficient is, I presume that's been done. This is purely how you achieve that on the calculator. So let's say that we look at a study with the amount of sleep that students receive and then their subsequent performance in a test. So the test is performed and the results are tabulated, and you can see the results here. So what we need to do is enter this on the calculator. So here we go. So first of all, put your calculator into statistics mode. So that's mode 3. Now, in this case, you want to select option 2, which says AX plus B. So if you select that, you'll see two columns appear, an X and a Y. So in this case, we just enter the hours of sleep column in the X and the score in the test in the Y. So if we very quickly enter those, 7, 6, and then we'll go and enter the test scores. Right, so the data's been entered that way. So that's as you would with normally calculating the mean, standard deviation, same way, except you've got two columns here, whereas before you would have had frequency, where the Y column is. So press AC and cancel. Now, we still access the stats from Shift 1. Now, in this case, you want to select option 5 that says Reg. So option 5, and Pearson's correlation coefficient is this R. So if you select 3 and then hit equals, that's Pearson's correlation coefficient, the 0.64. So remembering that the closer to 1 that is, the closer to a perfect correlation you've got if they're 1. So that's 0.64. So there is a relatively strong correlation, but it's not a perfect correlation.